Hello, now we will see the next sense organ, that is the tongue. Here we are seeing the sense organ, and up to that we have seen the eye, the ear, the nose. Now we will see the next sense organ, the tongue. It is also having particular types of nerves for the sensation of taste, and all that nerves are called receptors. Generally they are called receptors, and because they receive the sense of that particular organ, they receive the sense. Our eye receive the sense of vision, our ear receive the sense of hearing, sound, yes, and our nose receive the sensation of smell, and here our tongue will receive the sensation of taste. That's why that nerves are called, which are related to the sense organ. These nerves are called receptors. So here, that how that receptor work in the tongue, that we will see. So this is the structure of tongue. This in this manner, our tongue is having different types of area. Here we can see this is the different area. This is the different type of area. This shaded part. Again, this blank part. This is also different type of area. Like a brain, it's also having different types of area for different type of taste. Because the function of our tongue is taste. Yes, major function is to testing the substances. Yes, it will receive the sensation of taste. That's why there we know that maybe substances are having different type of substances are having different type of taste. Some substances are having sweet taste, some substances are having sour taste, salty taste, bitter taste, spicy taste. Many types of taste are there present in their substances, different type of substances. So how our tongue will identify which taste is that, which type of taste is that? So for the reception of that sense of taste, there are presence of different area. तो क्या है, हमारे टंग ब्रेन में कैसे एरिया होते हैं, अलग अलग चीज सेंसेशन के लिए अलग अलग, विजन के लिए विजन एरिया, स्पीच के लिए स्पीच एरिया, थिंकिंग के लिए थॉट एरिया. तो वैसे ही वी नो दैट हर एक सब्सटेंस का टेस्ट अलग होता है. स्वीट, सॉल्ट, बिटर, सोर, अलग अलग टाइप के टेस्ट होते हैं. तो अलग टाइप का टेस्ट कौन से नर्व्स रिसीव करेंगे, उसके लिए हर एक टेस्ट के लिए हर एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया, अलग अलग पर्टिकुलर एरिया यहाँ पर फिक्स्ड है. यस, सो different types of various types of areas are fixed on in our tongue. So this type, see this area at the middle of tongue, it is having the sensation of bitter taste. Means here the receptor will the receptor will get the taste of bitter. They will receive that bitter taste. It will receive the bitter taste. And here in this area, at both sides, that area, the receptors from that area will receive the taste of sour things. Yes. Here, this blank area you can see. This blank area will receive the taste of salty taste. The taste of saltiness. And here at the tip of our tongue, the particular area is there at the tip of tongue. It is having ability to receive the sense of sweetness. So I will repeat again. This at the middle of the tongue, the particular area like a heart shape, it is having these receptors are able to have the sense of to receive they receive the sense of bitterness. They receive the sense of bitterness. This particular area is able to have the sense of bitterness, and this area is having ability to receive the sense of sour taste, and this area is having ability to receive the sense of saltiness. Yes, and this on the tip of, at the tip of the tongue, the particular area is able to have the sensation of sugar, sweet taste, having the sensation of having the ability to receive sweet taste. Yes, so in this manner there are different area for having the different sensation of different taste. Yes, now are you getting this thing? So you can do one thing, you can do one experiment. You have to take 4 types of bowls. You have to take 4 types of bowls. In one bowl, what you have to do? Take 1 teaspoon of coffee. Take 1 teaspoon of coffee and make a little bit solution. Add 1 teaspoon of water only and make a solution, coffee solution. You have to make, yes, without milk, only coffee solution you have to make. Then after that, you have to squeeze lemon in one bowl. You have to, in another bowl, you have to take some water and you have to squeeze lemon. Yes, then second bowl is formed. In one bowl, what you did? Coffee, you have to take coffee solution, you have to make coffee solution, means water plus coffee. Here lemon plus water. Yes, this solution is lemon plus water. And then in the third number of bowl, what do you have to take? Here salt plus water, salt plus water. And in next, here you have to make sugar plus water, sugar solution. I will write down here. Yes, so you have to take in this manner 4 bowls. In each bowls you have to take different type of solution. In first bowl you have to take coffee solution, concentrated coffee solution. In second, lemon juice plus water you have to mix here. In the third bowl you have to take salt plus water. In fourth bowl you have to take sugar solution, means sugar plus water you have to take. So take these 4 bowls, and now one by one you have to take that bowl. At first I will take this bowl. At first I will take this bowl. And at first I will clean my tongue. I will clean my tongue. You have to clean your tongue also. Yes. Then what you have to do for your experiment? What you have to do? After cleaning your tongue, drying your tongue by the tissue paper, clean tissue paper, you have to spread that coffee solution. You have to spread that coffee solution on your tongue. क्या करना है? ये कॉफी सॉल्यूशन को पूरे टंग के ऊपर स्प्रेड करना है. Then you have to identify where you got the bitter sensation of that coffee, because coffee is having bitter taste. Yes. So where, at which area you will get the bitter taste? कौन से एरिया में आपको bitter taste मिलेगी, ये आपको देखना है. So definitely you will get bitter taste at this portion, in the middle of that tongue. Yes. At this portion you will get the bitter taste, yes, of that coffee. You will not get in this area. You will get the bitter taste in this area only. Yes, at the middle of your tongue. Then next, now it is over. Now I will take this second bowl. What is in that second bowl? Then again you have to clean your tongue. Again you have to clean your tongue. Then take the second bowl and clean your tongue, and after cleaning you have to spread that lemon water. You have to spread that lemon water on your tongue, and then identify at which area you are getting the sour taste. At which area you are getting the sour taste. Definitely at the edge of your tongue, slightly at back side, at the back side of your at your edge of the tongue, at the edge of tongue and at the back side, at the edge of tongue, at the back side, at both side as well, you will get the sour taste. Yes, ये एरिया में ही आपको sour taste मिलेगा, बाकी एरिया में ये सेंसेशन नहीं होगा जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंसेशन आपको यहाँ मिलेगा. तो दिस एरिया, receptors of this area is able to receive the sensation of sour taste. Yes, the receptor of this particular area are able to receive the taste of the sour substance. Okay, then the sensation of that sour substance. Okay, so now after that I will again clean my tongue. You have to also clean your tongue again. Then I will take the third number bowl. So what I have to do? Again the same procedure we have to do here. We have to spread that salty solution. We have to spread that salty solution all over the tongue. So then think and then identify where you are getting the strong sensation of that salty taste. In which area? Definitely here, beside of your tip of the tongue, beside at the tip of your tongue, at the tip, beside at the tip of your tongue, मतलब ये है टिप के साइड में, एकदम एग्जैक्टली साइड में दोनों तरफ आपको ये सॉल्टी टेस्ट का सेंसेशन ज्यादा मिलेगा. यस, यू विल गेट मोर सेंसेशन इन दिस एरिया. सो here in this area, which receptors are present? They are able to receive the sensation of salty taste. Yes, the next it is remaining, the fourth one bowl is remaining. Now I will take the fourth one bowl. In this bowl sugar solution is there. Again we have to clean our tongue, and then what we have to do? Again spread the next fourth solution, and what will happen? You have to observe that you will get the taste of sweetness at the tip of your tongue, and mostly, yes, mostly the sweet taste you will get at the tip of your tongue only. Means at this area which receptors are present, they are able to receive the sensation of sweet taste. Yes, and all that taste when your receptors will receive, they will give the message of that sense towards the brain. They will convey the message to the brain, and then your brain will identify, now you are eating the sweet, now you are eating the sour thing, now you are eating the salty thing, like that. Sometimes you are feeling that you are getting the taste by mistake. If your mother will make any cooking any recipe salty, if your mother prepared something and if it is salty in taste, immediately you will get, yes, your nerves of your tongue are very sensitive, and they can identify that the substance what you are eating, that is salty in taste, because your brain will identify you are eating salty thing. Yes, so in this manner our tongue is working, our sensory nerves, receptors of the tongue working in this manner. Yes, so draw this diagram in your notebook. It is given, very good diagram, it is given in your textbook also. So you have to draw this diagram and then learn all that labels. Yes, where is the area for particular test, कहाँ पर कौन से टेस्ट का एरिया ये आपको लर्न करना ही पड़ेगा. Draw this diagram and practice it. It is very important to identify all the things, so that again one thing I will tell, read all the topics from your textbook also. Yes, it is very much important. Without reading this topic you will not able to understand this all that topics properly. Yes, so that reading is very much important for you, so that do that properly. Okay, I hope you understood that. Thank you.